Hi, this is Vijay. In this video, I'm going to give my personal findings and analysis on one particular stock, which is going to make a momentum trading for the month of November as well as for the month of December. The name of the stock and why the stock is going to create a momentum in this month, which I'll tell you elaborately. Before going to those details, I would like to say a few points about the trading tips platforms operated by Bull Street through WhatsApp. So we have three kinds of trading tips platforms in WhatsApp, in which we give trading tips in live market. I would like to say a few points about the one of the trading tips platform is known as Superfence option. Superfence option is nothing but low budget option trading tips, which is given in option trade, stock option trading with the entry price and target price and related updates in live market through WhatsApp. The subscription to join Superfans option is 7,999 per month. You can remit the subscription by Google Pay, Phone Pay, Amazon Pay, or Paytm, or even from WhatsApp through WhatsApp Pay to our WhatsApp number. The Bull Street has only one WhatsApp number. We have only one Bull Street, one Vijay. No other person is connected here. The working capital to join Superfan option is just about 10k only. I mean to say that a sum of 10,000 rupees can be treated as startup capital to trade in stock options. We will not give trading tips to use the 10k as a whole. So we gave trading tips in the past, and we are presently we are also giving specialized trading tips in Superfins option, like to take 1 lot of option trading with a startup investment, a startup small portion of startup capital of say about 600 rupees for 1 lot, and 800 rupees or 1,200 rupees, like that. I mean to say that it is possible to take 1 lot, 2 lot, 3 lot, sometimes rarely 4 lot, by using this 10k as a startup capital. So join the Superfans. The Superfans is giving superb results in the past month. In the number also, we are going to give a miraculous results in the Superfans option. Now we go to the video. The company which is in crisis, not a crisis, which is in limelight, which is in news, is nothing but the so-called Reliance Industries Limited. The rumor behind this company is the Mukesh Ji and his family is going to London, UK. It means that they are migrating from India to London. It means that they are discarding India, and they are marching towards London. Why? People are saying that in earlier months, the COVID may be the reason. The threat of COVID and other kind of some behind market behind news says that not only Mukesh Ji and all other CEOs are not interested to remain in India. So this is an unconfirmed news. And recently, the Reliance Industries Limited has a subsidiary, Reliance Industrial Investments and Holding RIIHL Limited, has acquired 300-acre Stock Park Country Club in UK for a sum of 79 billion US dollar. So market rumors are saying that Reliance Reliance Mukesh Ji and his family are going to stay in that Stock Park Country Club in UK permanently. So this creates wonder. This create a question mark. This create restless situation among the investors of Reliance Industries Limited. If you are having this stock, you have to think twice to hold this stock, because from the 2000 level or below 2000 level, this Reliance Industries Limited stock is very much struggling to reach this 2500 level. And currently the ongoing price, while I look at the market, is 2503. Even so much of announcement, so much of this fabulous news is like joining partnership with Google and bringing out a 5G mobile handset. That 5G mobile handset is not tweeting any great momentum in the stock, great impulse in the market, mobile market. So it could be treated as a failure. There's a Reliance next mobile phone. So putting all together, one can consider the Reliance Industries Limited stock is not in the limelight. It is slightly going towards the negative zone. So while considering from the current market level 2503, one can consider that there will be a downfall. If there is a downfall, in my prediction, the level will be 2464. The immediate downfall level will be 2464. Suppose any speculator, any group of syndicated traders is pushing up the stock, it means that it will reach to 2684. So one can find out the trading range between 2464 to 2684. So 2464 to 2684 is the quite a trading level for a speculative trader. So seasonal buyer, seasonal investors can buy the stock around 2464 level, not close to the ongoing price. So this is about the Reliance Industries Limited and Mukesh Ji's the rumor on the stock concern. Now let us say few points about the Bull Street Casino Online Trading Tips magazine, in which we give double money trading tips, triple money trading tips, mini jackpot trading tips, and occasional jackpot trading tips. Double money trading tips is nothing but the investment has to multiply it by 2 times within few days of holding, and triple money trading tips is nothing but the investment has to multiply it by 3 times within few days of holding, and mini jackpot trading tips is nothing but the investment has to multiply it by 5 to 10 times within few days of holding or some more days of holding, and occasional jackpot trading tips is nothing but the investment has to multiply it by 10 to 20 times within few to sometimes rarely up to expiry on the same month itself. So we can quote our recent spectacular results as in the month of September we gave a trading tips, a deal up 380 call option at the rate of just 1 rupee. It went to 37 rupees 80 paise within a span of 3 days of holding. It means that if any trader, if any of our subscriber parked around 1 lakh rupees in this particular stock concern, it will leads to a growth of 37 lakhs of rupees and 80,000 rupees within a span of 3 days of holding. Same way in the month of October, we gave a recommendation in Tata Motors 420 call option at a rate of just 2 rupees. This 2 rupees went to 102 rupees within 5 days of holding, 5 working days of holding. It means that if any trader, any subscriber parked around 1 lakh rupees in this particular stock, it leads to a growth of half a crore within 5 days of holding. I repeat, half a crore within 5 days of holding. Such kind of magical wonders, miraculous results can appear only in Bull Street Casino Online Trading Tips magazine. This is not suitable for retail and small investor because the subscription to join the super funds option is very limited, very little. But whereas here the subscription to join Bull Street Casino Online Trading Tips magazine is this much, because the result will be that much. So if any one person having a 1 lakh rupees working capital and passionate in option trading with not in hurry to make money, if you are willing to travel a period of 1 year slowly, progressively, you can subscribe to Bull Street Casino Online Trading Tips magazine. If you want to know the subscription detail of Bull Street Casino Online Trading Tips magazine, you can send a text message to our WhatsApp number. The WhatsApp number is given in the description box. So we got one WhatsApp number, one Bull Street, one Vijay. No other person is connected here. So beware of fact people who may reflect our name in Telegram. We do not have any trading tips activities, any VIP group, any premium group in Telegram. All of our activities are confined to WhatsApp only and a blog website only. So thank you very much. I am Vijay.